Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Colombia together. This is Inmaculada Sudan Rume. The region is Cauca and the variety is Sudan Rume. Fermentation is anaerobic natural. For more details on this coffee, please visit our webshop. To release all flavors of this coffee from Colombia into your cup, prepare 250 grams of third wave water at 90 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Weigh out 16 grams of beans and grind them on click 80 on your Comandante. This leads to a lovely acidity in the rich body. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms your equipment. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. First pour 40 grams over 7 seconds, rather active circular, to get water and coffee in contact. Second pour starting at 20 seconds, another 80 grams over 15 seconds. Soft circular pouring starting to extract the complex flavors of Inmaculada Sudan Rume. Pour 3 starting at 55 seconds, the last 130 grams over 10 seconds in active circular pouring, leading to a balanced, multi-layered and clean cup. Swirl 2 times. The first time at 1 minute and 20 and the second swirl at 2 minutes, leading to an even more balanced cup profile with this coffee. After the total brew time of 2 minutes and 25 seconds, you can enjoy the flavors of vanilla, mango, lychee and red grape.